Ever wonder why the fanciest tables in the casino, the ones with the highest minimum bets, are almost never roulette tables? You'd think betting red or black on roulette is the safe 50-50 bet, right? Well, it's not as safe as you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why serious high-stakes gamblers skip roulette and head straight for baccarat instead. We're breaking down roulette, red or black betting, baccarat rules, house edge, and minimum table limits, all explained simply. Okay, so here's a wild fact. If you walked into a casino right now looking for the highest minimum bet table, odds are it's baccarat, not roulette. Why would that be when roulette's red or black bet seems like a coin flip? I'm going to show you the sneaky math casinos don't really advertise. Picture a casino floor. Over here, you've got roulette, that spinning wheel with numbers, red and black pockets, and a ball that bounces around. Now walk 20 feet over, and you've got baccarat. It's this quiet table, roped off a bit, kind of VIP looking. Cards get dealt between player and banker hands. Whichever hand gets closer to a value of 9 wins. That's genuinely it. No fancy strategy, no memorizing card counts, just pick a side. So, on the surface, these feel similar, right? Two options, pick one. Red or black, player or banker, simple as a coin toss, except it's not. Real quick, if you're the kind of person who likes understanding how stuff actually works, instead of just being told, trust me, that's basically the whole point of this channel. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and drop a like on this video. It genuinely helps me keep making these. Okay, back to the wheel and the cards. On a roulette wheel, you've got 36 numbers, colored either red or black. If it was just red and black, betting red or black would truly be a 50-50 shot. But, and this is the sneaky part, there's also a green zero. On American wheels, there's actually two greens, a 0 and a double 0. Green doesn't count as red or black. So when that ball lands on green, if you bet red, you lose. If you bet black, you also lose. Everybody loses except the house. On a European wheel with just one green 0, the house edge on red or black is about 2.7%. For every $100 bet, the casino keeps about $2.70. Now, on American wheels, the ones with two green zeros, that house edge nearly doubles to about 5.26%. One extra pocket roughly doubles the casino's take. Now flip to baccarat. Betting on the banker hand, the house edge is only about 1.06%. Why so low? Because the casino just takes a small 5% commission when banker wins. That's it. Still less than half the best roulette bet. So here's the question that should be bugging you right now. If baccarat's banker bet has way better odds, why does roulette get all the attention while baccarat gets the exclusive rooms? Casinos aren't dumb. They know baccarat has a lower house edge, but baccarat games move slower and have simpler decisions. No watching a ball spin for 10 seconds. High rollers often aren't looking for adrenaline-pumping randomness. They want a calm, low-drama way to make massive bets with better odds working in their favor. Since baccarat has that lower house edge, casinos can comfortably let people bet more per hand while still expecting steady, long-term profit. That's exactly why you see those $500 or $1,000 minimum baccarat tables tucked away for VIPs. It's a game built for big, calculated bets. Roulette thrives on volume and excitement. Casinos are happy having tons of casual players making small bets, because that 5.26% edge adds up fast. Roulette isn't worse as a game to enjoy, it's still exciting. But if you're purely talking odds, baccarat's banker bet wins, hands down, every single time. Betting red or black feels like a coin flip, but those green 0 pockets quietly stack the odds against you, up to a 5.26% house edge. Baccarat's banker bet keeps the house edge around just 1.06%, making it mathematically one of the best bets in the entire casino. And that's exactly why the high minimum tables in fancy casinos are almost always Baccarat. It's about letting big bettors wager while the odds stay fair. So next time you're watching a movie scene with some slick high roller sliding chips onto a green felt table, take a peek. I'd bet you a coffee it's Baccarat, not roulette. Alright, that's the breakdown. If this helped make casino games make a little more sense, drop a comment on which game you'd try, hit that like button, share this with a friend heading to Vegas, and subscribe if you want more How Games Actually Work videos. See you in the next one.